Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you were trying to play a video on your Android phone and receiving an unsupported video format or codec non-supported error, it means your default gallery app lacks the required software to read that specific file type. I will show you exactly how to bypass this limitation and play any video right now. Let's get started. First, the absolute easiest way to fix this without modifying the actual file is to simply use a more powerful media player. Open the Google Play Store and search for VLC for Android. Install this free, open-source application. VLC contains built-in codecs for nearly every video format in existence, including MKV, AVI, and MOV. Simply open your problematic video using VLC instead of your default gallery, and it will play flawlessly. Next, if you must use your default gallery app or want to share the video on social media, you need to convert it to a universally supported format like MP4. Open your mobile Google Chrome browser and navigate to a secure, free conversion site. You can find the links in the description box below. Upload your unsupported video. Set the target output format specifically to MP4, tap Convert, and download the fresh, compatible file directly to your internal storage. Finally, sometimes the video file is perfectly fine, but its file extension is missing or incorrectly named after a download. Open your My Files or Files by Google app and locate the video. Long press the file, tap the three dots in the corner, and select Rename. Ensure the file name ends with a valid extension. If it lacks an extension completely or looks like a string of random numbers, simply typing .mp4 at the very end and saving it will often instantly fix the playback error. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.